We had some challenges with one of our clients where they were concerned about whether or not they'd be able to proceed with Earnix, given some limitations in some complex area of effective dating. We didn't think that was enough of a challenge to entirely hold up a program, so we worked with Earnix and we worked with some of your product teams to look if there was ways that we could incorporate some new features into an upcoming release that would close that gap and allow the client to proceed forward without having that be a challenge. That feature was able to be deployed. We've been able to work with that client, and they've actually now been able to successfully go live using Earnix and start to realize the benefits and value. They've already seen around a 40% reduction in speed to market and their ability to deploy rate changes, which for one rate change, already that's pretty good, with only further upside as they get more comfortable with the system. So working with one of our carriers in Canada, we wanted to look at ways where we could use Earnix sooner, but not be constrained by some of the technologies they were facing. They had part of their business on a modern PAS that would be able to integrate to Earnix. However, part of their book of business was still on a legacy book, which wasn't going to get the benefits immediately from the rating engine. However, we worked with the client to figure out a roadmap where we could accelerate the benefits from the Earnix analytical environment, which was their biggest book of business, realize those benefits sooner, and realize the benefits of the rating engine for their other books by being able to integrate that. But knowing what the roadmap would be like, knowing how to build that out successfully, we stood up the analytical environment in a way that would accelerate their implementation down the road when they were going to move to a modern PAS later. Earnix has been an excellent partner to us, whether it's in helping align on how we want to position each other in the market, sharing points of view going on where industry trends are going, but also in the collaboration and the ability to work together. It's really been unmatched in any of the alliances that I've worked with. And one of those specific examples that I can recall was we required some specific changes to an Earnix environment to demo to a client how Earnix could be of value to them. We were able to get on the call quickly late on a Friday, and Earnix was able to stand up that environment, have some of their people work on the weekend. I'm sorry that they had to do that, but they were able to get the environment stood up so that we could go and bring that demo to the client the next week successfully, and they could see the benefit of using a tool like Earnix. That commitment to working outside of hours, to getting the job done no matter what, truly remarkable. The reason Earnix has been able to be competitive for so long is that really there's three things: cloud, accelerators, and the continued innovation that they provide. In the cloud space, Earnix was first and has been cloud native. So as they continue to grow and we look at how Earnix fits into an ecosystem, they already have the cloud capabilities and cloud-first infrastructure that helps our clients who are looking to be moving to a cloud be able to adopt Earnix more easily into their ecosystem. On the accelerators, first is with the Guidewire accelerator that has been able to demonstrate accelerated implementations and realize the benefits of Earnix sooner with their clients. And they've continued to evolve that with other policy admin systems, and that's only going to help expand to more clients to generate the value of Earnix deliveries faster. Lastly, on the innovations, this year was our first partner day that we had, and we saw what the pipeline looks like, what are some of the things that are coming down the track, and you have not taken your foot off of the gas on continuing to grow on this product. You haven't rested on your laurels and just said, what we have is great, but you continue to find new ways that you are bringing new products into the Earnix ecosystem, which is going to help the clients continue to be competitive and help us help our clients continue to be at the cutting edge of what they can do with pricing sophistication.